Okay, it's Sunday and it's 90 degrees out, so we're gonna try Pop-Tarts brown sugar cinnamon ice cream sandwiches. Brown sugar is the best flavor of ice cream sandwich, not strawberry, not any other flavor. Let's try. They're very small. I thought they would be the size of a regular Pop-Tart, but they're babies. But we'll see what they look like. They're so cute. It's like a little baby Pop-Tart. I like it. Two little baby Pop-Tarts and brown sugar ice cream, I think, in the middle. It's cute. I like the novelty. Wouldn't get it again, but it's cute.